All right. Hello, my name is Jesus Gonzalez, and the purpose of this code is to basically simulate a treasure finding game of sorts. So to first run through the what the actual code does, let's go ahead and press the green flag, it resets. And then whenever we click down on the mouse, our code runs, and I'll go ahead and we'll go to the code. First, we assign the treasure to a random space of the sand. This is the constraints of the sand on the board. Okay. And then we are checking for when the mouse is clicked down. This is our conditional statement. So this end conditional statement, let's say our treasure is put at 0, 0. So if our mouse is clicked and we're within 60 minus or 60 plus of the treasure on the x coordinate and within 60 minus and 60 plus of the treasure on the y coordinate, then we will beep a sound. Then if we are within 20 of the x and y coordinate, which is shown right here, this is what this conditional means, then it will mean that we are found the treasure and it will print found the treasure. If we are not within this constraint of the treasure, this 60 by 60 and then 20 by 20, nothing will happen because it's the else statement. So that's the way the conditional statements work. So let's go ahead and try this out. First, I'm just tapping everywhere looking for the treasure right here. So play a sound has been played. So now this means that we're within 60 plus or minus on the x coordinate and 60 plus or minus of the y coordinate. But now we need to get within 20 in order to find it. So right here. So we found the treasure. So that's how the code actually works. So if we were to go ahead and change this, let's say to or statements, it would mean that we can be within 60 of in the x or 60 in the y or 60 in the y. So that means that's no longer meaning that we're in this box around it because we could be within x, but then the y could be all the way. Let's say the treasure right here. We were going to be within the x because let's say this is the x, but the y could be all the way down here because it's or x or y. So the code would not work if the conditionals were not end statements. So there you have it. This is a tutorial on conditionals. Thank you very much.